Hey, it's Tech with Jack, and today we will be reviewing the Ironman Tello Drone. So this is what you get in the box. The Tello Drone with the camera on front, sensors on the bottom, and a place to put your battery in on the back. Next we have some spare propellers, a battery, and a micro USB power cord. And we also have some instructions. It also comes with some safe flying pamphlets for New Zealand and Australia. Make sure you read it. First, you download the Tello Hero app from the App Store. Now that I've downloaded the app, it's time to charge the battery. First, put it into the drone until you hear a click. Then get your micro USB and plug it into the side of the drone. I'm using a block charger, and it'll start to flash blue. That's when you know it's charging. When it's solid blue, that means it's fully charged. It's been charging for a while now, and the light on the front is solid blue. That means it's fully charged, and there's only one thing left to do, that is fly it. The app starts with some tutorial missions to teach you how to fly. You take off by pressing the auto takeoff at the top, then slide to take off. You can use the controls on the screen of your device to move it around. It is stable, but it doesn't have a GPS, so you have to be controlling the whole time. And to land, you have to press the land button and make sure it's in the safe place. Ta-da! And that's just a quick intro for the Ironman Tello Drone. What did I think of the Tello Drone? I think it's great, and it's easy for kids and beginners to learn how to fly their first drone. In conclusion, I give it 2 thumbs up. Thanks for watching.